Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Rodrigo here. Today we're switching it up. We're doing a little tech review unboxing. Today's going to be the unboxing. Stay tuned for part 2, which is going to be the review. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB Silver Edition. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So right here we have the trusty iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go ahead and unbox it. As always, super satisfying. We got the iPhone 12 now, just in the pure box. Honestly, this feels heavy, like heavier than normal iPhones, but ooh, there we go. That is the iPhone there. So let's pop it out. So as always, you get the little paper in here with little stickers, a little cable. So there's a few different things about this new iPhone model. You'll notice it's a little bit different. So this is the back, obviously. Oh, this is so clean, guys. Right off the bat, guys, it's squared edges. It reminds me of the iPhone 5s that I used to have and love. Absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. Like, the weight of this feels amazing. Just super clean. Honestly, if you're gonna get an iPhone, I would just say get the 12 Pro Max. Like, this just feels super nice. So right here, so we're not used to the white screen protector, so that's something new to take into consideration. Down here we have the lightning port. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. So nice paper coating. So it's literally just a paper on the front, just white. Oh, and there we go. Whole, just big screen. We got the nice squared off edges. We got the 3 cameras in the back, nice white background. Honestly, guys, I've had a white phone since I can remember. The last time I had a black phone, it didn't turn out so well. It broke on me a few times, so I always stick with white. Super impressed by it so far. I'm gonna set the phone down. What you guys can find in the box is a USB-C to Lightning cable. We're typically used to, the normal USB to Lightning. This is a USB-C to Lightning. These do charge super fast. One thing that they didn't do with this phone is give us a power brick. I actually have one on the way, which I'm gonna do a review on as well. I would recommend getting at least a 20-watt power brick. And then in here, literally a SIM card, pin, good old Apple sticker, and literally that's it. We don't even get an instruction manual because people just know about these iPhones nowadays. So literally you get the iPhone, the sticker, and you get the cable. You have to buy the power brick, guys. So I'd recommend getting at least a 20-watt power brick because these phones are very, very, very fast phones. So highly recommend you guys do that. All right, guys, so right here we got the power button, as you guys know there. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but this thing is just super squared off. Like, literally, this is like a luxury version of like the iPhone 5s, it seems like. But also just like a luxury version iPhone. Just super impressed and blown away by it. This is my second time ever holding one of these. And as you guys can tell, compared to my iPhone 8 Plus. Yes, I'm on the iPhone 8 Plus 2017. Still runs like a champ. Absolutely love it. Love the white. Check that out. I remember I was the first one whenever this camera came out to just have a legit ass camera. And then this, honestly, it feels like it's something brand new. And this honestly feels like it's something brand new to me. It's definitely like an actual upgrade and like a jump. I absolutely love this phone still, but I could tell that it was lacking in some features, whereas this kind of just fills those gaps and voids that I was missing. We got the 3 cameras, power button there, as I said, rounded edges, lightning adapter there, the vibrate and unsilent button there. Beautiful, beautiful phone. Let's go ahead and turn it on just to check out the display. So this is an OLED display, guys. I don't know if you guys know what that means, but apparently it's supposed to be something really, really nice in terms of like the pixels, in terms of the display and everything. It's supposed to be a really, really nice screen. And right off the bat, the whole screen is taking up room, just like that new iPads and iPad Pros. The whole screen is like real estate, basically. So boom, we can go ahead and do the little setup. And yeah, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So far, highly, just really impressed. Like, I'm blown out of the water by it. The weight feels nice and steady, nice and sturdy. Like, this just feels like a quality premium phone. This is definitely a huge upgrade and jump up from my previous iPhone 8 Plus. Honestly, this was a pretty nice and luxurious phone as well. But this phone's just next level. I'm super excited to try it out and test it out for the next week and a half in terms of creating content. As you guys know, this is a fitness channel, so I decided to incorporate tech into this channel more because maybe you guys are creators, maybe you guys are coming here for tech, but either way, I use my tech all around my lifestyle and creating content, etc. That can be for fitness, that can just be for general lifestyle stuff. So I'm gonna start bringing you guys some more tech stuff because I'm a huge nerd and I love to geek out about it and talk about it. So I'm gonna start bringing you guys more stuff like that because I believe that there are tools to have in your arsenal, as well as maybe, you know, the toys that you guys get to have, but the stuff that's gonna help you in day-to-day life, that's gonna help you maybe create content, etc. And I'm gonna show you guys how I go about using these tools, just kind of nerd out and geek out with you guys. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. One of the first videos that I've done like this on my channel, so if you guys liked it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. At least 2 new videos every week. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to review. Stay tuned, I got more tech reviews coming, maybe some wearable fitness stuff as well. That's gonna do it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we out this B.